आपने कभी होवरबोर्ड्स के बारे में सुना है? नहीं, मैं उन होवरबोर्ड्स की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं जो सस्ते होते हैं और 2 व्हील्स लगे होते हैं और उनमें खड़े होकर इंसान ऊपर नीचे होते रहते हैं एंड दे कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड। नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज होवरबोर्ड्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रियल होवरबोर्ड्स जिसको बैक टू द फ्यूचर मूवी ने एकदम फेमस कर दिया था, जो एक्चुअली हवा में होवर करते हैं। सुना है कभी? If you ever have been curious and if you ever wanted to have a hoverboard for yourself, then there's the right video for you, क्योंकि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हम कितना नजदीक पहुंच चुके हैं होवरबोर्ड को एक्चुअली बनाने में। Let's talk about that today. So if in case you're already enjoying this video, make sure that you leave a like and leave a comment and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you guys get notified about all the amazing videos coming on this channel. Now let's go straight forward and find out the truth about hoverboards. होवरबोर्ड को सबसे ज्यादा फेमस बनाने वाली मूवी फ्रेंचाइज थी बैक टू द फ्यूचर। बैक टू द फ्यूचर मूवी देखते साथ दिल में ये ख्याल आता है कि भाई हमें भी एक होवरबोर्ड चाहिए ही चाहिए। बैक टू द फ्यूचर मूवी में एक्चुअली 1985 से बंदा जाता है 2015 में। 2015 में अगर आप मूवी देखो तो आपको दिखेगा उसमें फ्लाइंग कार्स, होवरबोर्ड सब कुछ थे, यानी कि हम ऑलरेडी 5-6 साल पीछे हैं उस मूवी से। तो नाउ I'm going to tell you ki how close we have actually become of making a hoverboard which can actually hover in air. Let's talk about all the technologies which has actually advanced through the scientific advancements which we have had. Let's talk about that one by one. If you want to join us for super fun sessions like that and gain 100% knowledge and score 100% of marks, along with unlimited live classes with super fun and high level quizzes, and while you're playing the quizzes, you're actually competing with the students throughout the world. You also have the option of having interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards, along with premium downloadable content with handwritten notes of the master teachers. And in-class doubt solving with quality tests and assignments after every session and every chapter, plus free 5,000 plus micro courses and free crash courses for competitive examinations with a guarantee that more the classes you take, lesser the price you would have to pay. For this and more of these, you just have to go on to the link in the descriptions below of this video. Click on the link and the site would open. Just go and choose your grade and choose your board. Go through the website, which is beautifully laid out, clearing all your doubts and the offers. Click on the get subscription button. Choose your amount of months you want to get enrolled in. Click on the enter coupon code and write down the coupon code Spectrum and avail all the benefits this coupon code has to offer for all the kinds of months, and just click on proceed to pay. That's it. Now let's get back. The first concept is absolutely magnetic levitation. This is what we have actually learned in our previous science fiction video about magnetic levitation. Definitely check out that particular video. We also actually have explained about the magnetic levitating train, which is actually the fastest train in the world right now. So definitely do check it out. Now, if in case you have not watched this video, a very simple brief of how to actually do it. Now, what happens when you bring two magnets together with their unlike poles? What happens to them? They actually get attracted to each other. That's what happens, isn't it? Now, if they are like poles, then they will get repelled away from each other. So the same phenomenon is happening under the magnetic levitating train. So if you're repelling away, and what if you keep a very heavy object on top of it? What will happen? The repulsion would be there, but the magnet will not be going above. It would be floating, correct? And that is what is the concept behind the first method of creating a hoverboard. You create a bottom layer of magnets with the like poles, and then you create an upper layer of magnets with the same like poles, and you expect that the repulsion force is at least equal to the weight of the hoverboard or the person standing above it, so that the person can equally hover on it. Amazing, simple, but the concept here is this is a very unstable thing to happen. Because if in case you are actually not know how a hover train works or how a magnetic levitating train works, you should know that magnetic levitating train are actually constrained to not go out of the tracks, right? Otherwise, what will happen? The repulsion force might increase a bit, or due to some stability, the train might come actually out of the railway tracks. So the same thing can happen here, because if we are not constraining ourselves, then we might flip down, and that might cause a lot of injury. But we do not want to stay at the same place and hover. उसमें क्या मजा है यार? So here comes the next category of how to make a hoverboard. The latest successful method by a company to create a hoverboard was actually by Lexus Technologies, and they have done a really great job. Instead of using the normal conductors to create electromagnetism, उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया है सुपर कंडक्टर्स का, ताकि आपकी एफिशिएंसी उतनी ही बरकरार रहे। लेकिन इन सारे के सारे मेथड्स में एक बहुत ही बड़ी खामी है कि अगर आप लेक्सिस का भी अगर आप होवरबोर्ड उठाओगे, इवन इफ यू टेक द मैग्नेटिक लेविटेशन ट्रेन, you actually have to have a track through which or on which the hoverboard or the train actually have to hover. So apparently by till now, no matter how much scientific advancements we have had, we are not able to actually make anything hover in air without there being a track, without there being an electromagnetic track there to make us hover. The one scientific advancement which we would have had is actually called as ionic thrust. Ionic thrust में होता ये है कि सुपर चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लगा देते हो at the ends of any particular object और वो सुपर चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उसके आसपास के एयर को इतना ज्यादा आयोनाइज कर देता है, हाँ एयर को आयोनाइज कर देता है कि वो सारे के सारे आयोनाइज्ड एयर नीचे को पुश डाउन हो जाते हैं, और क्योंकि वो नीचे को पुश डाउन हो जाते हैं, you create a vacuum in near the hoverboard area or near the corners where the electrodes are there, which is actually taken up by the air, and that air lifts the object upward. A very similar case on how an actually airplane flies. Now this has come out to a very important or a very significant theory which can actually create a hoverboard, but still nothing has been proven up yet. So yes, at this particular point in time, in present, we can say we are not that close to making a hoverboard. But yeah, you are the new scientific mind, you are the young generation. You can actually go forward and try doing this out. Maybe you can become a successful person creating a hoverboard. How amazing is that? काश होता कि hoverboard बनाने का टेक्नोलॉजी भी 5G जितना तेज होता, है कि नहीं? 5G से याद आया, What is actually 5G? सोचा कभी? सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी. That is what is going to be the next video on sci-fi. I hope all of you are ready or will be waiting for that video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, this is Abhishek signing off for today. Enjoy your life, stay home, stay safe and stay strong. Do not forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. Until then, peace.